guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, I am going to be unboxing two BoxyCharm premium boxes that were sent out to me. And of course, my freebie little gift that I got for re-signing up. That's right, I am back to BoxyCharm. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to know what I got in my boxes, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. So yes, I am back to BoxyCharm. I did re-sign up. So I'm going to start off with my first freebie gift. So I did receive this right here for signing up as a new member. So this one was the Tres Luce, the I Am palette by Becky G. It is so freaking gorgeous, guys. I already do have another one from her. This one right here. So I'm so glad that now I have this one. It's part of my collection. Oh my god, I'm kind of sick. So if I sound a little bit different, that's probably why. So here is the palette itself. It is so freaking gorgeous. I love those bright pops of color. Perfect for spring, those beautiful little shimmers. And what I absolutely love, guys, that this palette is super travel friendly. I actually already do travel with this other one here because I love how convenient it is, because it has a magnetic little mirror here that you can pull apart. So if you're traveling, it's super travel friendly, and then you can just pop it back in like that. The cardboard is amazing. You can just like fold it all the way back and do your eyeshadow look. It's just super convenient, and I really love like these neutral shades, pops of colors, shimmers, and all of that good stuff. So yes, guys, this one was my first item. It was my freebie for re-signing up with BoxyCharm. I'm excited. I'm so down for it because I did not have that palette as part of my collection. So chef's kiss to that little palette. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the boxes that were sent out to me. So I did sign up for, I signed up for the base box, and I also did sign up for the premium. So I was expecting to get my premium and my base, but I ended up getting two premium boxes sent out to me, which was a little bit weird. So I think it was a mistake at their end. So I got two premium boxes. Ooh, this is a great thumbnail. So yeah, I got two premium boxes sent out to me, and I already did kind of peek through it because when I got them in the mail, I was so confused. I was like, what's going on here? So first off, guys, the first thing that's in the first box, it's going to be this Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial Cream. And I'm so excited for it. I actually really love Elemis, and my skin is going through a little phase right now where it's super dehydrated. I have like little clingy dry patches. So I'm on this new skincare where it's the Innisfree one. It's the green tea extract, and it just helps with the hydration on the skin. So this one's also a really good one. It's going to help to like diminish dull, tired skin, thirsty skin like mine. So I'm so excited about this one. And then this is what the rest of the box looks like. So I also did get this right here. This is some Crown All Eyes on You. It's a 5-set piece deluxe or luxe brushes, which are so super cute. I believe I got this before. I'm not sure, but the bristles are really nice and soft. I think I'm gonna give these away to my niece, but these are super cute. I'm so down for it, and I really like this box because it kind of doesn't make sense. So we got some brushes to go along with our eyeshadow palette. This is from Visor. It's the Professional Makeup Paris. And I believe I already do have this as part of my collection. And I believe I had decluttered it. So I'm glad I got it back. These are really pretty neutral shades. They're all matte. They're so pretty and rich and pigmented. So yeah, I'm glad I got this palette back in my life. I'm going to keep this one. I also did get It's So Big a mascara. I'm a whore for mascara. Like, I love mascara. Although I do wear falsies every day, I will still apply mascara on my falsies. So I am so down for it. So here's this mascara that was sent out as well. And I really like the little brush. It's like an hourglass brush. And I'm down for it. I'm down for mascara. So this is a very nice. I don't have any prices on this because BoxyCharm is going through a whole phase where it's changing, and I'm so down for the changes. And then last, oh, just kidding, 2 more items. Then I also did get this Fenty, I believe it's a lipstick, and it's Midnight Wasabi. It's a green shade, maybe for St. Patrick's Day, I don't know. But I could come up with a really nice look with this lipstick. Here it is. Wasabi green. Okay, let's swatch it. Oh shit. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like. I don't know, it's very bold, but I know I can definitely pull it off, especially with St. Patrick's is right around the corner, so I could come up with a really cute look, at least just for a picture for the IG. And then lastly, in this first box, I also did get a palette. And this one's the True Luscious Lucky Glow palette. So it's a bronzer and a highlighter palette. And it looks like this. It is so pretty. I love that blush shade right in the middle. So gorgeous. Love that. And that's that. That's what I got in my first box. Ta-da! So yeah, I was supposed to get a base and a premium box, and I ended up getting 2 premium boxes. So we're just gonna go with it. So again, this is the second box. It's a premium box, and we got this right here. This is by Clarins, and I believe I've used this before. This is the Instant Smooth. I believe it's a primer. It's like this really nice like putty, and it leaves your skin really nice and soft and smooth before your foundation application. I love Clarins. Clarins is a really good brand. I actually really love it. I'm a fanatic of it. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, look at how pretty it looks in there. I'm so excited to use this. So we got a Clarins little primer. We also did get this box right here, and these are go-to exfoliating swipies. So they're like little swipey pads, I believe. Let's see, let's take it out. I've never tried these before, but here, this is what it looks like. I do remember some exfoliating pads that I had from First Aid Beauty, and those are really good. And this is what the little pads look like. So some skincare. Let's see, exfoliating pads for glowy skin. That's what it says. I will definitely be putting that to use. I'm taking good care of the skin now. And then I also did get a little Kosas Color in Light Cream. It's a cream blush and a highlighter. Let's see. Let's take it on out. See what this looks like. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could see it, but this is what it looks like. And here's the blush and the highlighter. And I did swatch them. So here's the blush and then the highlighter. Ooh, okay. I will definitely be putting that to use as well. We also got I believe it's a liquid lipstick. Laura Geller, New York, 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Wow, this shade's very pretty for spring. I love me my bright colors. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, yes, it's super gorgeous. I can definitely pull that off. I love that. I need some water. I'm talking too much. This weather has everybody sick, including me. Let's keep it moving. I also did get this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Brow MVP, And I got mine in the shade of dark brown. I love that. I love these boxes because they're sending me a bunch of makeup products that I absolutely love. I'm more of a makeup junkie, but I am like starting to get into my skincare stuff as well. But I love me my makeup products. It just makes me happy and it excites me. And this is what the Fenty Beauty Brow Stick looks like. Ta-da, ta-da. Like that. And I remember that the other end was like a Artiste brush, so it's not like a regular spoolie. Yep, that's right. I remember this from Sephora. So this is what the other end looks like. So you can actually just like brush off the eyebrows. I like it. It's very different compared to the other products that are like this. And I also want to show you guys what this little dark brown shade looks like. You can definitely like flicker it and just create like fake brow hairs. Here it is. I'm so awkward, but okay, here it is. That way you guys can see it a little better. So yeah, I am so down for it. This product came in a perfect time because I'm running out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I'm like scraping it and trying to use a very little product. Like this is what this looks like. I use this every single day to create the fake eyebrows. But this is my holy grail product. Like I've always go back and repurchase it. So I'm kind of running out. So I'm glad that this Fenty Brow product came in. I just need to figure out how to like create those little brow hairs like I did here on the actual eyebrow. I digress. Okay, and then lastly we got this palette here, and this one's the Illuminatix Isabel Bedoya palette. I believe I've had this before, but what did I do to it? I think I gave it away. I don't have it anymore. So they did send this back again. I forgot what it looks like. Let's, ooh, she's cute. I don't know about like the whole color scheme. I do see a lot of pastel colors and I love those glitter shades right there. So I will definitely be using this again. It's back in my life and I am going to keep it this time. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it. That's all I got from BoxyCharm. I believe these are my boxes from February due to like the late winter storm that we're going through. I'm currently in California, but due to the late winter storm, I feel like my boxes got here super late because of that. I know that we are in March. Today it's like March 7th, I believe. Oh my God, no, it's not. It's March 8th. So I got my boxes super late, but I believe it was because of the winter storm that's going around. So yeah, guys, I'm excited to see what March has, and that's going to be it. I'm excited for all the new changes that are coming to BoxyCharm. It's now turning into Ipsy, and I'm excited. I'm so down for it. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!